let's take a look at the Summary and Links page. After you've entered information for individual employees, you can go to this tab to extract a great deal of useful information. First of all, notice that our employees' names and related data have been automatically carried in from their individual worksheets. For each employee, you'll see estimated production, overtime, and total hours, the annual burdened cost for regular and overtime hours, and the resulting weighted fully burdened cost per hour for each employee. Then, at the top of the columns, you'll see the total hours, total burden cost, and the weighted cost per hour for all employees. If you click on the link next to an employee's name in column B, you'll be hyperlinked directly to that employee's detailed worksheet. This becomes very useful as over time you'll want to update individual employees' data when pay rates, benefits, or other burden information changes. Being able to quickly jump to the correct worksheet can be a real time saver. Now we've moved further to the right in our summary sheet, and remember how we placed a desired gross profit into each individual employee's worksheet? The column titled Price, Dollars to Charge per Hour, reflects the hourly amount that we should be realizing from each worker to achieve that gross profit percentage. Please look at the columns with the pale blue headers. These show your burden as a percent of base hourly pay, as well as the burden rate to use if you're going to use QuickBooks to allocate labor burden. Most companies don't charge every worker out at a different rate. So what we'd ultimately like to see for cost estimating purposes and to determine the correct pricing is an average for different types of workers. So what we've done here is to provide you with the option of subdividing your workers into different departments or groups. Depending on which version of the cost and pricing analyzer that you choose, you can have up to 25 departments or employee levels. For this demonstration, you can see information for employees in 2 departments. When you enter your desired gross profit goal as a percentage in the yellow boxes at the top of the screen, you'll see the average dollar amount that you should be charging for that level of worker. Change the gross profit goal percentage and your billing rates change. And if you'd like to be a little creative and work this backwards, just adjust the percentage until the dollar results are close to what you currently charge. That'll tell you what your gross profit on labor is currently looking like. This can be a very interesting exercise to complete for your specific company. So, as you can see, in addition to being a time-saving navigation tool, the summary sheet provides you with a bird's eye view of production, overtime, and total hours and costs for your company employees. It then supplies the tools that you need to more accurately estimate labor cost on jobs and accurately determine how much you need to mark up costs on different groups or levels of employees so that you can achieve a profitable pricing model. We've also added another bird's eye view summary sheet so you can see results based on direct, indirect, or general and admin departments.